So very warm and a pleasant good morning to class 10th B. But again, it is going to be a single class only. No sections will be there in the upcoming month. As usual, we were studying in the same manner. We are going to study again. In this school, we will have two categories. One is for the day boarders, another is for the boarders. Day boarders will have separate classrooms and boarders will have separate classroom, means hostelers will have separate classroom, right? Classroom in the sense where the boarders we are going to sit all together in the seminar hall. A proper distancing will be maintained, proper rules and regulations for this COVID, this pandemic, whatever the rules are there, we have to maintain that. We cannot stick and sit. For day boarders, we will have separate classrooms. There we will be having the class, so I have to teach twice. Hostelers all together of class 10th will sit in seminar hall, and we will have the class till date. That what has been decided for. And on spot we will be having, and practical dates are also been are going on. It's in process actually. We will let you know soon. In the month of March only we will be having all the practicals as per the board curriculum. And whatever doubt you all are having, and I am going to make you all solve the question papers, like a few questions I will be giving on spot, and I will ask you to write down the notes, and on spot only I will tell you what is the mistake, right? So that you can know that. Yes, Gaurav, your question please. Gaurav?
Ma'am, so this month we won't be having the exams.
What exams? Pre-board?
Yeah, ma'am.
It is
We
there.
won't. Ma'am, when?
Month of March only.
Ma'am, in that meeting, principal, director principal, ma'am told that it will be at the ending of Feb. So this month we won't be having, no. It would
This
be in the
month,
March.
I guess, end of the Feb, or because you all are joining school now. So I think it is in the month of March only, first week, something like that. It was been told that end of Feb, but till date, we don't have any information that in month of Feb there is exam. We have the information of March. It can be first or second week.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Got it? Because we will be floating the question papers. And because you all are joining, please tell again. What will be, Kushal, what you want to know? Kushal, what you want to know? Kushal,
यस मैम
what you want to know?
मैम मैं थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था इसलिए
Beta, please be on time because the teachers are on time, right?
यस मैम
I have just said that we are going to have boarders and day boarders in the school separately. Day boarders will sit separate, boarders will sit separate. There will be no more sections in from the month of March again. This was only for this month only, but it has been seen that students are in loss because like for example 10th B is having only 2 classes a week, 10th C is having 2 classes a week, 10th A is having. So I have to say the same thing again and again in 3 sections. This was the main problem. And these are the things which have been repeatedly again and again we can see the problems, right? And what else I have said? Practicals will be in the month of March only as per the CBSE curriculum. We will be having offline exams in front of the teacher only, so that the teachers can clear all your doubts, all the subjects, right? And what else I have said? This much only, I guess. If I'm forgetting anything, I missed any point, any one of you?
नो मैम
Right, till here this was clear. Now your queries, your problems, any query, any problem. What I have seen that for English 30-40% has been prepared, if I'm not wrong. Is it like that? Is it like that, students? Karan, Harshita, Molly, Harsh, Gitika, Punya, Rishabh, please answer me. This is the reason why we are starting with the offline classes. I'm fed up of this thing. Beta, you have any query, any problem, please come up with your problems. Any problem, any issues?
No problems, ma'am.
No problems. But few of our students gave me a call. Harshita, Harshita, I'm talking to you. See, yesterday she had a word with me. She is getting shivered that she's not able to answer. But she knows everything. Harshita, I'm talking to you, beta. Gitika, then I will start giving you all questions. If you don't have any problem, any issues. Sanskar, awesome class. Sanskar, Prajwal, Sanskar is
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanskar, I need to talk to you. Tell me
Yes, ma'am.
truly that what is your condition for the preparation of board examination? 60%, 70%, 80%, what is your percentage?
Ma'am, for
All
which
subjects.
subject? English?
Not only of English, I'm asking for maths.
Maths, ma'am, I'm preparing.
Keep yourself in a ratio.
I have completed my syllabus. I'm solving papers right now and revising it.
Okay, what about science?
Science, I have not completed all the chapters, but I am studying right now.
Science is going on, that means, right? Social? Social?
Economics and history has been completed. Civics is going on. Geography not started yet.
Not started yet. Okay. So, Hindi or Sanskrit you are in?
Hindi?
Hindi. What about Hindi? Not started.
No, कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत.
मुझे पता है. I know, beta. English, Hindi is like, it comes in the secondary matter. मुझे पता है. I know. Sanskar, what about English? Be honest.
Is going on.
Is going on, not done. Right?
Not completed the whole syllabus, yes.
Right. Fine. I want the genuine answer. Now, children,
Yes.
all of you, please listen to me very carefully. Very, very carefully. The day you are in the school, right from 1st of March, it is going to be a hectic job for you all. I guess all the students to prepare yourself by 28th of Feb completely. All the subjects. Right? Adeshwar Parak. Adeshwar. No answer. This is disgusting. Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Akshat, what is your condition? Is it the same as Sanskar or you have completed everything?
No, ma'am, not everything.
Maths?
Ma'am, maths almost.
Almost. Almost in the sense, kitne chapter bache? How many chapters are left? Huh?
Two.
2 left. So by 28th last date of Feb, complete हो जाएगा स्कूल आने से पहले?
Yes, ma'am. ट्यूशन में चल रहा है.
बेटा टारगेट बनाओ. टारगेट सेट
Yes,
योर
ma'am,
टारगेट.
हो रहा
है ना? सोशल साइंस नॉट स्टार्टेड.
मैम वो बाकी.
मुझे पता है. I know my students very well. Science
साइंस मैम उसमें
थोड़ा
तीनों
बहुत
के एक चैप्टर बाकी है।
बाकी है। अच्छा, हिंदी
मैम तीनों
इंग्लिश
के एक
नहीं
चैप्टर।
टच किया है, हिंदी इंग्लिश नहीं टच किया है। एम आई राइट?
मैम इंग्लिश में थोड़े बहुत चैप्टर हुए, हिंदी में नहीं हुए।
मुझे पता है ना बेटा, बिकॉज यू नो कि देवर्सना मैम 1 सेकंड में पकड़ लेगी, राइट? मुझे पता है ना अक्षत, यू नो मी।
यस मैम।
Now I am telling you all very frankly, this period is meant for your doubt clearance, right? It was been said that it is meant for doubt clearance. On Monday, if you say today only, I want your doubts, because जब तक आप पढ़ोगे नहीं तब तक के doubts कहाँ से आएंगे? Are you all getting me? Are you all getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So I
Yes,
want your
ma'am.
doubts. I want your doubts. Doubts will only come when you will study. Okay. On Monday, I have made a target that students are going to go through the queries round. Those who are present in the school, they will go through the question paper, the answer pattern, the formation of sentences. Beta, I don't want that because of your language, your percentage should go down. Set the target of 28th of Feb. उसके बाद एक लाइन लर्न करने नहीं दूंगी मैं. Set the target. From 1st of March, you will be pressurized with n number of examinations, test, and test. Preparation for the examinations, diagram practice, सिर्फ यही चलेगा. Please concentrate. उसके बाद टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास. बेटा, you are in 10th. Believe me, the day you are in, you will not be your Google Baba. Google Baba को thank you बोलना है. Now you will have only your books. Getting me?
मैम स्पोर्ट्स भी नहीं मिलेगा?
Sports मिलेगा ना? Sports मिलेगा. Sports will be there. Why not? Physical activity will be there. Except this phone, you will have everything. Got it? Karan?
यस मैम।
Karan, इन होके भाग जाओ.
Sorry, ma'am. Network issue. Sorry, ma'am.
This is the biggest. This word I hate. Please don't tell me lie. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Please.
No, ma'am.
Karan, I know. I have also my son of your age. ठीक है? So I know. मेरे सामने झूठ नहीं. Now, Karan, what is your condition and preparation for your board examination?
Ma'am, studies are going on, but ma'am, copy completion is ma'am not much.
बेटा, आखिरी डेट मिल रहा है 28th of Feb. You have to be in. 1st of March, you will be in school. Karan, are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, din raat, make it one and do it. Prepare yourself. Karan, English का कुछ भी पढ़ा है? Karan?
Yes, ma'am.
In English, you have studied anything?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have studied? Karan, what you have studied in English? Karan, I don't like lie. Please tell me the truth. Karan,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me what you have prepared in English.
Not started.
I know now. I know. I know. See how I have catched. Harshita, now you are in. Harshita. Molly Lunavat.
Yes, ma'am.
Molly, if I ask you what is your preparation for your board examination, how would you categorize yourself?
Ma'am, my science is completed.
Hmm?
SST is remaining. History is remaining, and economics is remaining.
Okay. You are
And in English,
feared of it, or you are able to solve it, or तुम्हें बहुत डर बैठा हुआ है दिमाग में?
no, ma'am, I'm trying to complete it. I'm trying to
But
complete it.
what I
before
am
coming to
feeling
school.
is, Molly, but what
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can feel is that somehow you all are scared of it. मुझे ऐसा क्यों फील हो रहा है तुम्हारे बातों से कि एक डर बैठा है दिमाग में. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
किस चीज का डर? नहीं लिख पाने का? Molly, share your problem, beta.
No, ma'am, actually,
बोलो.
yes, ma'am. I don't know what to speak right now.
नहीं, are you not able to learn, or you're not able to keep it in mind, or you're not able to write it down? What is your problem?
Ma'am, actually, so many subjects are remaining and I'm not able to complete all of them.
Okay. Molly, do call me after 12:20, the class when I will complete. I will talk to you.
Okay.
I will tell you how to
Okay,
do the time management. Children, I request all the students in my class. First, when I can call you Acha, Harshita, I will give you a nice one from here itself. Badmash ladki. After this, classes are over. I have one more class, then you can call me. By
Okay,
1
ma'am.
o'clock, give me a call. Okay. What I mean to say, prepare a timetable, children. Timetable as per your convenience, as per your choice, and go with it. Okay, bacha? Go with it. Solve it. Learn karo. Likh ke. Go on writing. Set the timer in mobile. When you will come down to school, na, bring one clock. Set the timer. Go on writing and writing. Start with one question. Start with any question. लगेगा कि बाप रे ये तो समुंदर है, राइट? ये तो खत्म ही नहीं हो सकता. बट यू हैव टाइम.
मैम वॉच अलाउड नहीं है. वॉच अलाउड नहीं है.
कौन सा वॉच अलाउड नहीं है?
कोई सा भी वॉच.
यू टेक परमिशन नाउ. 10th के लिए हो जाएगा शायद अलाउ. यू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम नंदिनी मैम नाउ, राइट? कि मैम फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन कैन वी यूज वॉच. ठीक है? टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम योर प्रिंसिपल
मैम
मैम.
कैन यू प्लीज से ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ अस टू मैम.
Okay, I will try my level best. Fine, but still you have to keep your words also. Okay, I will surely speak, I promise. Okay, I can do this much for you all. So what you have to do is prepare, set the timer.
Thank you, ma'am.
I will give you how to divide the time. 2.5 hours for one paper. It should not be of 3 hours. Okay, if you are solving from, for example, if I talk about social science, There will be, I think so, 3 sections. Go with the, I don't know, there are 2 or 3 sections in social.
Ma'am, up to there are five sections, I think.
No, present scenario. Purana wala mujhe pata, I know. I'm talking about the present one. How many sections are there?
No, ma'am. New.
New
Yes,
section,
ma'am.
we have 5 sections, right?
Ma'am, section E. Section.
Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. Start solving with the map work like this. Okay. Then go with the one section at a time solve. Always solve one section at a time. Complete that section, then jump to the another section. Calculate the scoring. For example, if I tell you about English.
मैम
हाँ बेटा. Yes, Akshat?
मैम इस साल कुछ ऐसा रूल बना है क्या रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते सॉल्व
हाँ,
बोर्ड
हाँ,
के पेपर
हाँ. That's why I'm telling
मैम
you all
क्यों
again and again. Getting me? Like for example, in English, we have 2 parts, part A and part B. This time it has been changed, na? Part A and part B. So I tell you all that please try to listen to me. If question number 1 you are able to solve and again suddenly you feel like कि नहीं मैं question number 8 को पहले solve करता हूँ. Don't go with it. Solve the objective types all together, then solve the subjective type, or else solve all the subjective types all in the beginning, then you solve objective types. Choice is yours. But those who are really very weak in English, those who can't construct the sentences in English, I will suggest them to solve the objective type first, because that is scoring. That is very scoring. You only need to read the passages very carefully. It is going to be complicated. It is going to be twisted. Whereas in descriptive, too much of confusion will be created. Getting me? So English is also not going to be so easy for scoring. And English is going to be a big support for you all for the other subjects. Are you getting me? I know you all know the rules that 10th will no child is going to fail this and that. Beta, बहुत गलत बड़े गलत फहमी में हैं हम लोग. It is going to be more and more strict this time. Now I was talking about scoring, how to score. I suggest solve the objective portion first. I suggest, because students can have to put more brain into it. You have to study, read it again and again, solve it again and again, and it can be sorted out very easily. But complication will begin in the MCQ portion and the objective part, where in the poetry section, we are going to make you confused in the lines taken up from the chapters. Now think about, you have 36, I guess, chapters. And in so many chapters, so many things are there. To read out each and every line is not possible. So samajh lo, before you start reading or learning your chapters of English, please do the reading of the chapters once and underline the main important points. Character sketch, very, very important. Next, I'm talking about the writers and the poet's name. Prepare a chart, prepare a copy where you will write the name of the chapters, the writer's name or the poet's name, and the characters in front of it. I will make you write in the class, in the school. When you will come down to school, I will make you all do it. All the, like first flight, all the name of the chapters, poems, writers, poets, and the characters. Right? I will also give you key points of the chapters. I will float it. I will make a printout of it. I will give it to you all in the class, school when you are going to come down. That is going to be a very short summary to remember the stories. I have planned out so many things, children. Just come down to school. I will make you all practice more and more, give you the best result for your board examinations. Believe on me, have faith on me. That's all. But you have to work according to my words. I can see Gitika.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
you were having some problem before few days. We had a word. Any problem you are facing?
No, ma'am. It's okay.
But it's okay, maybe कुछ है छुपा हुआ.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
बोलो
what to say? I don't know.
बोलो
Ma'am,
बोलो.
actually, there's a stress for the notes. I mean, it's almost completed, but the little bit works are there still.
This stress is because of you all children. It is
I have
not
done
for
my all
us.
the preparations. Almost.
Almost done. So by 28, before you all come to school, everything will be okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For stress releasing, I will
Yes,
make.
ma'am. I'm trying my best.
हाँ बेटा, I can understand the pressure. If you would have done it prior, when I have asked you all to do it, so at that time this condition would have not come, right? तब हमें लगा था कि ये साल ऐसे निकलने वाला है.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
My voice is lagging because of the internet connection. I'm sitting in the Wi-Fi zone, still see the condition. Can't help. The whole world is running on this internet only. No. Gitika, actually this pressure is been created by you all only. If you would have completed earlier, so there would have not been any problem. If I ask you to write one answer, if I give you one question now, one question only, will you be able to write down? Will you all will be able to write down in the copy? Would you like to try?
Yes.
But एक ईमानदारी चाहिए मुझे. You will not copy from Google or from book. Can I have this faith on you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshat, you can bring n number of papers which is available in the net also. You have full freedom. You can bring all the sample papers from home. No problem.
No, ma'am. If you want us to bring any paper or anything.
You have some
Ma'am,
book, na? That sample papers book I am forgetting. Oswal. बाप रे कौन चिल्लाया? अच्छा, गौरव. Punya. हाँ, that one. You can.
I haven't shown.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So if I ask you to write one answer, I will give you time limit of 3 minutes. Will you all try without saying from anywhere? Shall I? See, मुंह बंद. Shall I?
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
हाँ, अभी तो lag
And your
करेगा ही.
voice is lagging.
Can I give you one question?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I just want to see whether you are able to write or not. I just want to see.
Sure.
Giving, just a second. Describe the value of freedom. Write down, please. Describe the value of freedom for the human beings and how it is important for the growth of civilization as described in the lesson. Nelson Mandela.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
Gitika.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please repeat after civilization.
As described in the lesson. As described in the lesson. Nelson Mandela Long walk to freedom. Long walk to freedom. See, total 6 minutes are left. I will give you 4 minutes to write this answer and send it me in the class WhatsApp group now itself. Your time starts now. Thirty seconds left. Students started moving out without my permission only. That's good. Yes, your time stops. It ends now. 4 minutes ended. So I'm ending my class now. I want to see the answers in the group itself. Now, जितना भी लिखे उतना भेजिए. Class group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Take care.